Okay, the new valve covers came in, so I couldn't find one with a hole in the right place, so I just ordered two, and I will have to drill a hole in that. So the instructions are in the box on how to install these, and I'll leave the link in the description. Okay, to drill a hole, I've marked it. I've just used a piece of wood. You've got to measure from the gasket sealing surface, and so I matched that. Just made a mark, the center mark there, and I matched it over here. And then also you want to measure from the center of this hole to the center of this hole, and then transfer your mark over here on this, and that'll leave you with a plus. Okay, so I found a bit that would go in the hole. It's X and Y are the two bits. I'm going to undersize it a little, and X is 0.397. You may not have a nice drill set like this. If not, you may have to buy a bit. Okay, make doubly sure you're drilling on the same side. There's a bow on the right side. You want to make sure and have that bow on the right side here. And then just start with a small bit to get the hole started. Okay, shift it on the back a little bit. You might want to use a piece of tape and just go slow while you're drilling. I went with the W bit, 0.386, and then I tested the tube and it fits perfect. So be real careful and undersize it until you know you definitely want to go a little bigger. Now to install this left valve cover, put this tube on the baffle first, and then put it up here on the fuel pump before you put it up in there to put your screws on. Otherwise it's way too tight to fit.